Alright, so what's up guys? These are the new wheels. So they're Desmond Wise Sport 17 by 9s at the front and the 17 by 10s at the rear. I chucked these tires on because I got them for free, but they're a bit too thick for my liking, so I'm gonna buy new tires for them all today. So yeah. Here we have it.
Nice. Yo.
So today I'm going to be pulling the fenders and putting all my new wheels on. I've already done the front fenders, but I'll show a quick clip of that later. So at the moment we're just going to jack up the car, take wheels off, and then we'll go from there.
How much did you spend on that beast?
What was that, 20 bucks?
Oh fuck.
With a discount from Super Cheap.
Oh man.
We're sponsored by Super Cheap.
Please sponsor us. Alright, so what's the first step of this?
Putting the fender roller onto it.
Okay. And then I'm guessing you start roasting your guard with that heat gun.
Yeah.
Such long planks of wood.
I just dropped them off. So remember to secure your car to stop it from falling away.
No, we don't want that.
Alright, so let's chuck this on.
Beast.
Alright, doesn't fit me.
Alright,
thanks
let's
for
put the
watching
whip.
guys, see you next week. So we'll just bolt it down now.
Yeah. What do you use, just the lug nuts?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I usually set it up first before putting all 5 lug nuts in, because when I first did I put all 5 in, tightened them all up perfectly, and then I needed to take it all off again like 6 times.
6 fucking hell.
Okay, so when you're pulling the fenders, you want to start off in the middle part and pull the middle part out before going around here,
Okay.
because that's how I do it in Japan.
Is that the only reason why? Because that
It just looks shit, because you have people that pull the fenders all the way up. It's like a lip rolling out all the way across. It looks kind of gay, but like we just pull it out from there and then slowly goes
I see, yeah.
into the body line.
Yeah. And you want to heat it up first, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I know a way quicker way to do this. Put your wheel on. Get this bar.
No.
Roll it back.
No.
That's the real RFB way.
What do you on your RX-7, yeah?
Yeah, sounds good, man. Rocket Bunny RX-7.
Rocket. Do a few test rolls. That's pretty good, yeah. Alright, so we heat it up now once you got it where you want it to, so we're going to be starting off at the top.
Yeah.
Rolling this, pushing this out as much as we can before moving down from there to make sure it's hot. Otherwise you'll chip your paint real easily.
Yeah.
So yeah.
How do you know when it's hot enough?
It should be hot to the touch.
The car will be red hot. This is tiring shit.
Yeah.
So that's a slide on. That's what we've done. This is what it was originally. So we're just going to put the wheel on now, see how it looks. It'll probably fit now, to be honest, if you can get it on there. Oh fuck no, you gotta put that guard out way further. Holy shit.
When the wheel goes up though, it will come in, I think.
Yeah, but that's quite a lot. How much camber do you have? It's not much.
I want to keep it straight camber on now.
Yeah. Just gonna lower it to see how it looks. Man, these wheels are cool, man.
So they should be. They cost more than this.
When your wheels cost more than your daily. That's right. That's pretty good.
Oh.
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 Like, do you want it a little bit more further?
Yeah, doing a bit more, but like.
That's pretty good though.
Yeah.
Fuck.
I mean, obviously, I'm not after fucking equipment like on like guard on here and shit.
Yeah.
Make it functional, but yeah. But...
Semi-functional. You'll still be going sideways over speed bumps, so.
Yeah. Shit.
That's nice.
I was planning to lower it more.
Yeah.
I think we still need to pull that out more because Pop will still paint stick with this, I reckon. That's the main goal over here. Like, when you see this tread here, you want to cover the tread.
Oh, yep. Yeah, there's definitely room to lower it.
Yeah.
Oosh.
That's gonna get me pulled over, I reckon.
This is gonna get you pink stickered, mate. Fuck, that's insane.
How do I...
Holy shit, that's sick.
Yeah, but how do I cover that?
What do you mean?
You reckon we need to cover this for road safety?
No.
Is it just the top of it?
It's just your guard.
Just the guard?
Yeah.
Alright, in that case.
You'll be fine. It just looks ruthless, you know?
Yeah, that's what Russell said when I had the 9.5s on. He was like, dude, it looks so wide. And now he's got 10s on.
That's nuts. And then here I am building a fucfucking 400 horsepower baddie with like 7.5s.
Nah, 7.5.
Not quite that bad, but I don't know what are they, 9s, yeah.
Oh.
But they should really be as wide as that.
Alright, so it's all done now. All the sides are pulled out. Except for this one, I'll fix that later. That's how it turned out on the other side. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.